Where are we, Brian?
We're in Fiji on the beach.
I can barely see you. I can only see your shadow, sort of. Hula bus.
That roof,
It's like a hut.
little hut roof.
So we are going to the Hilton Fiji for tonight. I'm not sure. We had some points and then we had to top up with some cash. But some of the reviews said that
Your destination is on the left.
it's not as good as it used to be, but we'll see. They gave Brian this little thing. So we checked in at the Hilton. They gave us 2 little bottles of Fiji water and put a little string of shells on our necks.
A little shell necklace again.
But otherwise, this place seems a lot more casual than the other places we've been to so far.
It's definitely more in a built-up area. Like it's not like a resort out in the middle of nowhere. Like it's right by Port General and right by the airport.
They told us our room wasn't quite ready, and we had to come back. And we went to the port dinner. I had to pay $4 for parking, and I was like, oh, I'm a little bit mad at this, but I don't think I'm that mad now because I think they gave us an upgrade. So here is a room tour of the Hilton Fiji Resort and Spa. So here is the entrance. And what do we have in these little closets here? We have an empty closet with an outlet.
It's just a bunch of
We have
storage
a
in here.
empty closet here. Right here we have a sink. We have a lot of mugs and dishes. We could have cooked. We could have bought produce.
We still can. But
And then over here we have dish towels and dish soap. We have our coffee and tea amenities, wine glasses. Not sure what that is. What else do we have over here? Right here we have a pot, a grater, and a dish, a glass dish. Right here we have silverware, spatulas, and other cooking utensils. And right here, oh my gosh, we have a dishwasher. Seriously? That's not a bad deal. And right here we have a mini fridge with 2 bottles of Fiji water and a carton of milk.
do you know what we also have outside? We have an outdoor grill.
We'll check that out. Right here we have a microwave. And over here we have a tea kettle and a, what's that called? Not a toaster, but a panini maker. We have a phone, a super large lounging couch, and another chair, a interesting lamp. We have a table and 3 chairs with some Fijian tools. Those look like massage tools, like for scalp massages. Right here we have the TV. It says download the Care Fiji app, whatever. And we'll get to the room in a little bit, but what do we have out here, Brian? We have a personal grill. I don't think we'll use it. And then we have some outdoor chairs, another outdoor lounger, and a Fijian art. More art. The view is not too bad, but it's, nothing too special. let's check out the room. So we have a bed here with some little decor pieces. We have another TV and another access to the lounge area outside. And for the bathroom, we have a tub with some Crabtree and Evelyn amenities. We have the sink. We have a soap. We have some extra towels, another thing of soap. Let's see what is. We have a hairdryer. This thing doesn't really open. I don't know what that is. Oh my, we have a washer and dryer. We should just get caught up on laundry. We have a dryer and a washer. We should get caught up on laundry. We really should.
Could.
Yes, we
Do we
need
have
to.
detergent in there, you see?
No, but
Or
I'm
is
gonna.
there something that you have to buy?
If it is, then it would be worth doing. And what do we have over here? We have
Safe.
2 ropes, an umbrella, a light that just came on, a safe, and a couple empty drawers. What do we have in the shower area? So we have a couple towels, we have a little toilet room with a piece of artwork. And for the shower, we have a tiny little rain shower, but if you're too tall, might not work too well. And a handheld one. It's pretty nice. I think it was almost nicer than the Intercontinental.
It's because we got upgraded to a suite.
I don't understand. We have platinum status for IHG and we didn't get upgraded there. But we only have silver elite and we got upgraded here. I don't know.
I'll take it.
I'll take it too. Also, the guy came and said, thank you for being
Oh, I mean,
a silver member.
he just said happy anniversary, but yeah.
And happy anniversary. And came with a little cupcake.
Yeah, there's supper.
We've been in Fiji. This is our 5th night, but this is kind of the first time we've walked down on a beach. And they do have shells, but we can't see them because it's too dark.
Crack a little bit.
Like, I think the reason we haven't is just because it's been so hot.
It's been too hot. We haven't come out in the evening. I haven't really had a good place to come out.
Like, Natadola Beach by Intercontinental kind of did, but
But then
the beach there was a lot clearer and prettier. I mean, the ocean there, but
there were also tons of locals trying to sell you stuff.
yeah, and a
It
lot
was
of bugs.
technically a public beach.
And like full of mosquitoes and stuff. Here, I think the whole bug situation is slightly better.
Slightly.
Huh?
Slightly.
But yeah, we can see coconut trees, palm trees, and we're definitely in a tropical place. The adult pool was really cool. They had little lounge chairs in the pool, and like as soon as I got up, my back popped, so that's not a bad thing. One of the hotel's restaurant, and then that's the other one. So that's one of the pools, and probably, I don't know if that is one too. Yeah. We're at the Hilton Fiji Resort and Spa, and they have a deli on site, and after 6 o'clock in the evening, all the pastries and pies are half off. So we scored a pretty good deal and got some quiches and What's that, right?
This is a vegetable. What is this even?
Samosa sort of thing. And then we also got a green curry, chicken pie, and some dashes. And that's totally our brand. 50% off baked goods because it's the end of the day. Alright, so it's dinner time and we got 50% off pies and pastries for dinner, and now Brian's getting into the cupcake.
Mm-hmm.
It's our 10th anniversary, but we're eating 50%.
Not quite, but close.
Almost. It's our 10th anniversary, but we're eating 50% off because it's the end of the day. Pies and pastries, because it's not that fresh anymore, but it's still good. Anyway. I always love a good hotel amenity. Even at the Marriott, we got the pineapple amenity. That was cool. And then, like, IHG didn't give us anything. We have higher status there.
Here we go. Checking out the Hilton.
It was a really good stay. I like the adult pool here. I would totally come back here.
Especially if we get it free.
We need to get a new credit. It's a Hilton reward.